everyone, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I have got my flexi hand ready and we're going to be doing gel polish set. We're going to be doing a builder gel set using Madam Glam's jelly builder gels. The first one I've got is called Builder Violet. I picked three colours that I particularly liked. They're probably all my favourites. Builder Emerald Green, I like that one, and Builder Magenta. I'm also going to be using two other colours that I will show you when I get to them. I didn't know I was going to use them yet at this point. I've also got some flowers. I've put all my flowers together in one box, but I'm going to use the flowers that look like sprigs, not the bigger flowers. We've got some stars. These are from Nail Sugar. The good thing about these is there's loads of different colours in there, so we can pick out the colours that we want to use. And I've got Gold Leaf as well from Nail Sugar. So let's crack on. So if you're doing this on a real person, you're going to want to apply your, prep your nails, and then we're going to apply a layer of base, and then I am applying a thin layer of the emerald green. I was trying to make this nice and thin. I'm going to pop that in the lamp, and then while that's in the lamp, these are the stars that I've just put in a glitter tray, so we can pick out the ones we want. Aren't they nice? I bloody love them. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply another layer. I don't want to make this too thick. This is just going to intensify that colour slightly. We don't want them too dark. I had I'll show you what I done on this. This was my first nail. I didn't know quite what to do, but I do change it, so this nail is going to look a little bit different later, but I will explain why as we go through. So on that wet uncured layer of gel polish, not gel polish, builder gel, for this nail I'm going to use these blue sprigs, and I'm going to clip a few off, and then I'm going to put those in. I'm going to use my pointer tool that's broken. I need to get something else. I could just super glue it, couldn't I? I can't speak again. I have issues with speaking. Such a peanut. I'm going to use the little tool to pick up some of those sprigs and place them into that uncured builder gel. I have got some news as well. Madam Glam are doing a giveaway. Ooh, I'll explain about that in a minute. When I've gone in with the flowers, I'd went a little bit over the top with the flowers, but if you want, you can put as many flowers in as you want, so don't think that you have to do exactly the same. The whole point is that, you know, we do things how we like them. And then I'm going to find some sort of bluey turquoisey coloured stars and place them around the flowers. Again, you can use as many or as few as you want. I'm such a faffer, aren't I? There we go. And then we're gonna grab some of the gold leaf. So this was it, literally, look, I take a little bit out and it flies. Look, it's just stuck to the hand. It's that silicone. It's crazy. Mental. So I just want to put little bits of the gold leaf through the builder gel. So here we go. I'm actually doing it now. Again, I don't want too much, but I want enough on there that you can see it. Now, what I done with this one, I'm going to cure that in the lamp. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love them. I love them. I love it. So I went in with the green back over the top of these, and it just, I don't really know what I was trying to do, but going over with the coloured gel was not builder gel. It just wasn't, no, it was wrong. It just sort of just hides it all. So ignore this. I've done the whole nail all again, and just like magic, she says, hurry up. There we go. So I've done it again, and I'm going to use Pure Serenity, which is their clear builder gel, just to go over the top. So we've still got the coloured builder gel underneath, but I want obviously a nice summery feel, so I've gone for the translucent builder gels, the jelly builder gels. And then we're going to sort of just finish it off with a clear. I didn't do much of an apex on these nails because it was just for my flexi hand. But if you're doing it on a real person, obviously you're going to need to, you know, build up your apex and stuff. Now I'm using Builder Magenta. We're going to do the same thing, but while we're doing this, I'm just going to explain. So Madam Glam have been working remotely for the past few weeks, obviously because of the coronavirus, and they wanted to have a little bit of fun. So they want to inspire people to stay at home, and, you know, obviously do your nails at home. And they're inviting they're inviting me to like do a how to do your nails at home with Madam Glam. So this is my how to do your nails at home with Madam Glam video, and they're going to be giving away a prize as well. So one lucky winner is going to get a Madam Glam gift box. What you need to do is you need to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video, and you also need to go and subscribe to Madam Glam's channel as well. I'll leave the link to their channel in the description box below. The giveaway ends on the 15th of April, so you've got 5 days to get involved. And then I will randomly choose one of you who have commented and liked the video and done everything else. And then you can just contact me with your shipping information, and I will get it over to Madam Glam for them to send you a little gift box. I'm not gonna, it's a surprise, so I don't know what's in it. So yeah, you'll get to find out when it arrives on your doorstep. So if you do all of those things that I mentioned above, then you could be in for a chance of having a nice little gift box surprise. So I've done the same on this nail, and I'm going to apply now the Pure Serenity over the top of this. Teddy, he's playing with his bone, and he absolutely loves his bone. He goes mad for his bone. It's a beef knuckle. It's massive. It's bigger than his head. So now I'm just sort of creating my apex, but it's a very pathetic apex. I do go in with some more that I don't really show you me doing this because it just takes some time. So now I'm going to go in with the violet one, the Builder Violet. Obviously this is my favourite because it's purple, and I love a little bit of purple. So these are the little purple flowers. They're kind of they're like a dark purple, aren't they? But they still go nicely with this nail. Also, the competition is open to USA, Canada and Europe. So USA, Canada and Europe. So again, we're going to find some of those little purple stars. They're so cute. Oh, by the way, if you want to get 10% off these stars or the gold leaf or anything else that Nail Sugar sell, you can do so using my code NatMug10. Also, if you want to get 30% off any Madam Glam products, you can do so using my code NatMug30. So discount codes galore. Look, that is, oh my gosh, I love that. It's my favourite. So I've done those nails. I thought I'd skip that bit because you'd seen me do two already. So now I'm taking the Builder, was it Lavender? I missed it. And I'm going to build a very quick nail with this. Again, the apex isn't great. It's quite a flat apex, but it's only for my flexi hand. It's not for a real person. So you can see what I'm doing, moving the gel from left to right, making sure you've got enough on your sidewalls. And again, what I like to do is I usually turn it upside down, and you can cure it, and if you feel like you need more beads, then you can go in with some more. But make sure you keep your brush connected to the gel, otherwise you're going to end up with a lot of bubbles. And when you come to violet, you'll have loads of like blobs, not blobs, you'll have loads of like, you know, like it'll be like an arrow or a whisper. I love chocolate. Okay, so on the pinky, I'm going to use Baby Builder Pink. It's really hard to stay calm when your son runs in and jumps on you while you're doing a voiceover. Oh my gosh. He's coming back. No, he's not. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing with this one. I like this colour. By the way, Madam Glam have loads of other translucent gel builder gels, and they have loads of these coloured builder gels as well. So do go and check them out. I'm going to leave the link to their website in the description box below. They're so fun, and they're going to be great for summer and spring, and in fact all year round, because they do loads of different colours. So you're not going to be limited. I'm just trying to make up the apex on this now. Anyway, here we go. So they're done. I just need to wipe off the tacky layer, give them a quick file and a buff, and as if by magic, done it. So I wanted to put some stars on the pinky. It's in my head. I know what it is, but it doesn't come out. It's really funny. So I'm going to go in with some base coat, and then I'm going to take my crystal picker, and I'm just going to pick up a few of these pink coloured stars. They're bloody gorgeous. I love that colour. Now, because the pinky is quite small, I'm only using four stars, and then I'm going to flash cure it with my lamp because I don't want them to move anywhere, or I don't want to knock them because I have a habit of doing that. Then I've put some base on the thumb, and I've got some purple stars, and I'm going to use 5 because the thumb is a little bit longer. And then again, I will get them into place, flash cure them, and then I will give them a full cure. Madam Glam gel polishes, even the builder gels, I believe, cure in 30 seconds, so that's good. Okay, so give it a full cure as well. Then we can do top coat time with Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Gel. This is just going to seal everything in. I love that pink builder gel. It's so pretty. I'd wear that all the time. And I love these as well. Oh, I love these. Oh, look at that hair. Did you see that? That was a long one. I like the gold leaf as well. I see people use the flowers and the gold leaf. I was going to use glitter, but I didn't know what glitter to use, so I thought I'd use those stars. I know some people struggle to use glitter with builder gel. Look how pathetic that apex is. So I thought I'd just use stars because it would just make it a lot easier. I think they're so pretty. I'm not sure though which is my favourite. I actually really like the pink. I do like the purple too though. Which is your favourite one? Let me know in the description box below. Not the description box. Let me know in the comments below. You'll have trouble doing that, won't you? And then the thumb is the last one. So these will cure in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. I just love those stars. I can't get over how cute those stars are. There we go. Pop that in the oven to bake. And we're done. I'm going to give you a nice quick close-up. If you did like this video, please leave me a like. Oh, look at them. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing. I'm going to turn it around so you can have a look. Don't forget you can get 30% off Madam Glam using code NatMug30. Oh, they are good. I like those. And 10% off Nail Sugar using code NatMug10, all in caps. I think that's it. Have an amazing weekend. Don't forget to stay home. Visit your garden as well. Visit your garden, but don't go out. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, love you all, and I will see you all in the next one.